Got some things to unbox. So figured I'd hop on here and do that. What's up, Razor Toss? How's everyone doing? Oh, what's up, Tiki? Thanks for coming in. How's everyone doing? What's everybody rocking in Beard? Let me know. I've got Toronto, Magic City, my collab, any affiliate code. So in my case, The Truth, to save 35% until November 29th. It's really, really crazy deal. What's up, Metal Chef? What's going on? What's up, Steven? Yeah, so I'm rocking. Let me know what else everybody's rocking. And if you haven't checked out Magic City, this would be the time to do it. 35% off doesn't happen super often with Magic City. I met up with fellow Canadian beard product reviewer Scott Burton, Burton's Beard Reviews. Check him out. If you just look up Scott Burton or Burton's Beard Reviews on YouTube, it'll come up, or at the.scott.burton on Instagram. Yeah, we just met up and hung out in person, and I gave him a bunch of products and he gave me a bunch. Yeah, so I got a whole box of stuff that Scott hooked up. Yeah, it was a good time. Hung out for a couple hours, and then headed out. Yeah, it's we got a bunch of stuff here. So we got some. Yeah, I'm gonna grab stuff out. We're gonna do this in somewhat of an organized way because there's quite a bit of stuff in here. So we got. Okay, cool. So let's start with the biggest lineup here. We've got a whole bunch of stuff from Barbudo. Scott just reviewed them recently. Go check that out if you haven't. So we got, what's up, Van? What's up, Tony? Who's coming in? Yeah, so we got the Kid. I don't know if the scent profile's on there. Doesn't look like it is, but let's just get into these and crack them open. Ooh. Oh, that's cool. It's like kind of like a tobacco, but not like it's like sweet. Wow, that's nice. That's super awesome. Yeah, so that was that was the Kid from Barbudo. What up, guys? Super cool labels. I like those a lot. Next, we've got Harden. What's up, Jay? Who's coming in? Whoa, it's like a sort of citrusy, like cologne type scent, I would say. That is nice. I like that a lot. And we got Sundance. Ooh, that's interesting. I'm gonna have to look up all the profiles on these after, but that's super interesting. Very, very cool. These balms from Barbudo are 2 ounce tins. And then next we've got the Kid, and this is in the Mentega, which is the butter from Barbudo. Super cool label. I like that. Ooh, that's a whipped butter. I like that. Ooh, kind of reminds me of Christmas a little bit. Hey, what's up, Everett? Who's coming in? Yeah, that's a nice scent. Oh my goodness. So many goodies. This is awesome. We got, yeah, just tried that one. Keep all these organized. 2 Harden balms. That's awesome. That's right, yeah, thanks for coming in. Yeah, that is nice. Yeah. Hoodoo. I've heard good things about this one. Appreciate companies whose butters are 3.4 ounces or less. Makes going on flight so much. Agreed. Yeah, I like 2 ounce or like any, like I would say 3.4 ounce is like the most. Like I have some 4 ounce, but that's nice. In terms of practicality, the smaller ones are definitely better, especially for travel. Like I've traveled with 4 ounce butters before, and it is a butter considered a liquid though? That's interesting. I don't know. I think that'd be a good question to look into. I'm not sure. Oh, cool. And there's Hoodoo in the butter. This butter is super light. Scott's actually worked through quite a bit of that, but there's still a good amount left. Wow, that is nice. What's up, Ian? What's coming in? Just talking about some products. You got Curly. Oh, that's kind of barbershop-ish. Oh, that is nice. Love me some barbershop. Hey, what's up, Will? Who's coming in? The kid. A couple of the kid bombs. That's cool. That reminds me of Christmas. I don't know why. I'll have to look at the profile, but yeah, that reminds me of Christmas for some reason. Yeah, so that was Barbudo. I think we have an oil from them as well. Okay, I've got a couple. So we got the kid. Ooh, that's interesting. Perfect size butter to match an oil is 1.7 ounce, maybe 2 ounces at most. Any more, you have more butter left from your. Yep, facts. Yeah, that's exactly it. What's up, Salix7154? Who's coming in? Yeah, you're 100% correct. Like, I definitely. Yeah, 2 ounces is plenty of, especially like for reviewers. Like, it's like I haven't finished an oil in so long. That is good. I like that. All right. So that was a whole bunch of products from Barbudo. Organize this a bit just so it's less chaotic. Oh, this is cool. So we got the kid from Barbudo in oil, butter, and balm. So that's cool. And we got a bunch of other ones. Hardened. Oh, I got two hardened butters. That's awesome. And 2 balms. Heck yeah. Totally agree. 2 ounce butter, max size. Yep, agreed. Yeah, 100%. Yeah, that's the way to do it for sure. Oh, and we also have hold up. Oh, mustache grease. That's cool. Like mustache wax. Started buying only oils and just adding a few drops to an unscented bar. It's a great money saver. Yeah, definitely. That's actually a good idea. This reminds me of Christmas. I don't know why. Yeah, mustache wax. I haven't used the mustache wax in a minute, but my mustache is getting longer, so I'm gonna definitely be testing that out at Sundance and the mustache wax as well. What's up, Chris? Who's coming in? Yeah, so that was Barbudo, and we got Kühn all natural beard balm. Haven't tried this company before. This is their birchwood scent. Ingredients: beeswax, shea butter, mango butter, jojoba, argan oil, marula oil, and meadow foam seed oil. Ooh, meadow foam seed. I like that. Super cool. Like wooden label. I like that. Haven't seen that before. And then also metal tin. This is a balm. Ooh, Kühn's pretty good. Oh, cool. Birchwood. Yeah, that makes sense. Yeah, it's definitely birchwood. Yeah, that's nice. I like that. Definitely rocking with that one. So that's Kühn. And let's see what I want to go with next here. Oh yeah, there's one more Barbudo. Hoodoo. Hey, what's up, Kyle? Just unboxing a whole bunch of goodies that I traded that Scott Burton gave me. And I traded him a bunch of stuff. You'll see his haul soon enough. We're gonna do another live stream here soon, so I'll be able to show off the stuff that he got that I gave him. Next, we got a couple of scents from Beard Octane. So this is exciting because I haven't tried the oil yet. We got Choo Choo, which is what's the profile on this? I don't see it on there, but super sick label. Utah Summer's legit also. Oh, there you go. Love the red. I haven't tried Octane oil yet, so this is exciting. I think that's what it's called. Oh, cool. Ooh, that's a sweet scent. Reminds me of Salty Vibes a little bit from Bearded Coast. Yeah, it's nice. I dig it. So many goodies. Gotta reorganize my shelf. So many things to add. And then we got Ginger Jamboree, Dancy Bearded collab. I've heard good things about this one. Haven't tried it yet, but I'm excited to check it out. Ooh, yeah, it's definitely a fizzy, like kind of pop kind of taste or smell, rather, not taste. Wow. Yeah, that's nice. I like that. That's pretty cool. I rock with it. All right, next we got. Oh, there's another Barbudo oil. Oh my goodness. I got a gang of Barbudo stuff. This is awesome. Smells good. Not a fan of the product aside from the bar soap. Everett from Octane. While you're responding, move on to the next one. So we got Unruly Beard Co. This is a Canadian company. You can follow your... I don't know. It is what it is. Hey, what's up, Beardo? Yes, sir. Oh, yeah, Octane, yeah. Yeah, I've heard that about... People say that about Octane. Yeah, I've got the balm. I enjoyed it. It is definitely on the more expensive side, especially for international shipping. But, yeah, this is a 2-ounce beard oil from Unruly Beard Co. It's the leather scent. And it's just straight up leather. Let's see. Oh. Hey, what's up, George? Whoa. This is like a leather mixed with like a woodsy kind of smell. That's incredible. Then I got the beard butter in vanilla. Here's the scent, #1 vanilla. Ooh. Oh, that's nice. Nice and smooth butter. That's pretty cool. Haven't tried Unruly yet, so I'm excited to try that out. And stay tuned for a whole lot of product photos. That's probably what I'm going to do after this for the next while, is just blast out a bunch of product photos. Stay tuned for those. Next, we got another 2-ounce beard oil from Shorthills Beard Co, which I believe is another Canadian company. There's no profile on this one. That's interesting. Oh, it just says natural. So I wonder if that's unscented. Because an unscented 2-ounce oil could be helpful, especially with all these Barbudo balms that I have. Yeah, it's a light scent. I would say it's kind of woodsy. Like, yeah, like a fresh woodsy kind of scent. That's nice. I like that. That's cool though. So many goodies. And then next we've got Trenchtown. Hey, what's up, Matt the Bearded? Who's coming in? And we got Trenchtown. This is Cognac and Cubans beard balm, 2-ounce container. I like the sound of that already. Yeah, just doing a little unboxing, some stuff that I got from Scott Burton, another Canadian content creator who I just hung out with today. Ooh. Oh, that's nice. That's incredible. Sheesh. Oh, and I've got the matching oil. Let's go. Heck yeah. And go check out my newest Instagram post if you haven't already after this live. 1-ounce oil. Cognac and Cubans. Yo, this is nice. Hey, what's up, Chewy? Who's coming in? Wow. That's really nice. I like that a lot. I like if you haven't noticed, I like the cigar tobacco type scents. Like kind of like some darker scents. So I'm definitely digging that. Next one is vanilla coffee. Ooh. Hey, what's up, Barbudo? I just finished unboxing a bunch of stuff that Scott Burton gave me to try. Yeah, really cool stuff. I'm gonna do a whole review. I just bought a PC the other day. Oh, nice. That's awesome. Which one? Let me know. Whoa. That's a crazy coffee scent. Holy crap. Reach out to hey, there you go. No doubt. Yeah, no, most definitely Barbudo. I've got Barbudo product. Yeah, so far I'm digging the scents. Like every scent that I have is pretty solid. So I'm definitely excited to finally try y'all out. Got the whole. And I might even do a whole week. Probably do a whole week of testing and any reviews on Kühn Beard Co. No, I haven't, but I do have a bomb from them. So I'll probably start a specific RAM build with an Intel i9 chip and GTX 1080. Oh, there you go. Nice. That's awesome. That's super cool. I can get this. Oh, this is almost empty. Vanilla coffee. Oh, there's a little bit left in there. That's a beard butter. Oh, that's cool. Which one is that? I got the Utah Summer. Yeah, so I have the this is Birchwood. Matt the Bearded. Good piece. Thanks for coming in. Enjoy your new PC. Yeah, it's the Birchwood scent.